In this video, you'll learn how to leave a workspace in Slack. This process involves navigating through your account settings and making specific selections to successfully exit a workspace. Begin by launching the Slack application on your device. Once the application is open, you should see the home screen displaying your workspaces and any recent activity notifications. Confirm that you are on the correct screen before proceeding. Next, locate your profile picture or initials typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this area to open a drop-down menu where various options related to your account will appear. After that, you will see an option represented by 3 dots, often referred to as the More Actions icon. Click on these 3 dots to reveal additional settings related to your account. Once this menu appears, select Account Settings to navigate to a new page that contains your account details and preferences. This page is crucial for managing your workspace settings. In the account settings, you will see your profile information. Look for an option that states Deactivate Account. Clicking this will initiate the process of leaving the workspace. Be aware that if you are the primary owner of the workspace, a message will inform you that you cannot deactivate your account without transferring ownership. If you receive a notification stating that you must transfer ownership or delete the workspace, you will need to follow the prompts to either assign another member as the owner or proceed with deleting the workspace entirely. This is an important step as it ensures that all responsibilities are transferred appropriately. Finally, if you've confirmed your decision to leave, click on the Delete Account option. This action will finalize the process of leaving the workspace. You may need to wait for a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully removed from the workspace. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.